is Allosaurus right here, and it has this thing over its side. It's not a horn. It's like sunglasses, and it keeps the sun out of its eyes. And it has these little spines over its head and through its back. And it has 3 fingers, and it's also like a dinosaur that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And the teeth of it are maybe about that big. And the next one is Tyrannosaurus. This one's mouth opens and closes just like this one's. And Tyrannosaurus only has 2 fingers, and this one has 3. And that thing has the thing over its side too that keeps the sun out of its eyes. And its teeth are about the same size as Allosaurus's. And T-Rex is a little bit bigger than Allosaurus. And that's why they're so much alike. And here's one that's like Allosaurus too. It's called Spinosaurus. And it's a little bit bigger than Tyrannosaurus and has 3 fingers and 4 toes also. And this is a cell right here, and it's used to let sun go through it, and it goes through its body and cools it off. And these things help the sun keep out of our eyes too. And it has teeth about maybe a little bit bigger than T-Rex's teeth also. So they have the same amount of fingers and toes. And here's another one right here, and it's called the Dilophosaurus. And it has sharp teeth, and these things aren't there to stay. They actually spread out over its head, and I think they're used to scare off predators that might want to eat it. And this one is a carnivore, and that means it eats meat. And it has 3 fingers and 4 toes. And it's like the one that I'm going to show you, like the last one that I'm going to show you, and it has a long tail too, but the next one doesn't have that much of a tail. This is Velociraptor. It has 3 fingers and only 3 toes. This toe right here is used to jump on predators. If it was trying to kill this one, it could jump on it, and this claw right here could dig into its skin, and the fingers would also be used to help it stay on there, and it eats with its teeth. And since his arms are so short, if he was going to eat, he has to eat like this. He has to eat like that, but we eat like that. But he can't do that because his fingers aren't, arms aren't long enough. And it's really fast, and I know one that is even faster than this one and can run fast as a car. It can run 43 miles an hour, and it's called Ornithomimus. And this one's called Velociraptor. And they have a lot in common too. This one eats meat, and all of these eat meat too. And some eats meat. It's called a carnivore. And sometimes I call them meat eaters. And that's all my dinosaurs.
Cool. Does anybody have any questions they might want to ask Riley? And he may be able to answer them, and he may not. We'll see. Connor?
What about the, can he run, like, faster than the other dinosaur, or the other dinosaurs can run faster than him?
I think this one can actually, I think this one may be able to beat this one because since it's so big, it has long legs, and if its legs are long enough, it can take bigger steps than this one, and it can go farther than this one can whenever this one's running. I think it could do that.
Okay. Anybody else? Jamie?
I know some dinosaurs eat fish and like swim in water?
Well, this one likes to walk in water and it eats fish. And fish is meat, and that's why it's called a carnivore.
Good. Any others? Logan?
Does any of them eat plants?
None of these eat plants. But tons of plant eaters usually have long necks.
And flat teeth.
Right, they do have flat teeth, but these have pointed
Sharp
teeth. Sharp and pointed teeth.
Okay. Anybody else? All right, what do we say to Riley?
Thank you.
Thank you, Riley. You seem to know lots and lots about dinosaurs. I'm very impressed.
I do have a book about them in my room.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Is that where you learned most of it? From reading?
I just watched a few dinosaur shows and learned about them.
Well, that's fantastic. Very, very smart.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think it's time to go.